Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add or update your bio on Snapchat. Whether you're looking to showcase your personality or make your profile stand out, adding a bio is the perfect way to express yourself. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once it's loaded, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access various settings and features. Next, look for the section labeled Public Profiles. Tap on it to proceed. If you don't see this option, make sure you've created a public profile first. Public profiles allow you to share your content with a wider audience and customize your profile details. Once inside the Public Profiles section, tap the Edit icon at the top of the screen. This icon looks like a pencil and is where you'll make changes to your profile information. Now, locate the Bio section. Tap on it, and a text box will appear where you can enter your bio. This is your chance to get creative. Write something that reflects who you are, whether it's funny, motivational, mysterious, or simple. You can also use emojis to add some flair and personality. After typing out your bio, take a moment to review it. Make sure it's engaging and represents you well. After typing out your bio, take a moment to review it. Make sure it's engaging and represents you well. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, save the changes by tapping Done or Save, and that's it. Your bio is now live on your Snapchat public profile for others to see. Updating your bio regularly keeps your profile fresh and interesting for followers and friends. Thanks for tuning in. Now go ahead and personalize your Snapchat bio to make it uniquely yours.